Hi, Samuel Lebrati, Geopost. I am today at the cross-border event in Brussels. Why did I join the cross-border C-suite, DIY and home event garden? Well, good question. First of all, to get in touch with the business, knowing the last trends, being in contact with big providers in DIY and home and gardens products, and also to have a flavor of what's going on in the market. Also sharing experience and also providing good insight on what transporters like Geopost are able to provide to this type of market. So far, what is my best experience? A lot of information, sharing, good experience from big providers in DIY, very good insight on what the market is needing, and I believe it's a very, very strong event in order to share experience and to share best practices. Thank you.